Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix emojis not showing on keyboard in iPhone. So guys, if you are an iPhone user and you want to use emojis in your iPhone but the emojis are not showing in your iPhone keyboard, then in today's short video I will tell you how to solve this problem. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So guys, the very first thing what you need to do is just simply open the settings application on your device. Now find and tap on general. On the general menu, find and tap on keyboard. After that, tap on keyboards at the top of the page. Now tap on edit at the top right. Then tap minus icon to remove emoji. Tap delete. Then tap done. Now tap on add new keyboard. After that, type the emoji in the search bar and add it back to the keyboard. After adding the emoji, now open the keyboard in the message application. Tap on globe icon and then select the emoji. All the emojis will appear in the keyboard.